Developers working within speculative warehouses and high bay buildings that need ventilation with minimal heat often find themselves overproducing for the needs of the facility in its current state. The Cambridge Spec Air Series stands out when the goal of a project is not to provide comfort heating, but to provide proper CFM while factoring in the BTUs needed for freeze protection. This series is engineered to meet minimum ventilation codes, specifically ASHRAE 62.1, in an economical package. The Spec Air Series provides freeze protection up to 45 degrees Fahrenheit for these dark shell spaces until the project is turned over to a new client, providing 140 degree Fahrenheit maximum temperature discharge and temperature rises of 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 110 degrees Fahrenheit. The units are roof mounted and are designed to pull in 100% outside air. There is no additional ductwork needed since the discharge duct is attached to the unit and is designed to operate as a downblast application through the penetration in the roof. 4 basic units are available with selections based on CFM, with 1,000 CFM increments up to 34,000 CFM. If you have a project that is budget driven but needs ventilation and requires minimal heat, the Spec Air Series could provide the freeze protection solution you need.